मलिका बरतानिया ने शहजादा हैरी और मेगन को शाही टाइटल्स के बिना अपनी मर्जी से जिंदगी गुजारने की इजाजत दे दी। मलिका एलिजाबेथ ने यह फैसला शहजादा चार्ल्स और उनके फर्जंद शहजादा विलियम से मुलाकात के बाद सुनाया,
जिस पर बरतानवी अवाम ने खुशी का इजहार किया। लोगों का इस हवाले से क्या कहना था, आइए देखते हैं।
I wouldn't be surprised if they've maybe slightly twisted her arm on this, but I think the royal family are very concerned about the image that they have in public at the moment. Definitely Prince Andrew hasn't helped with that, so they have a lot of negative publicity as well. So I think with the hope that had been sort of seen by the public that especially Harry and Meghan are like a new type of royal, a new couple who bring something different and maybe represent more people. I think they will feel that that is something worth supporting, even if it isn't what they would normally want to do.
Yeah, I do think that it's fair enough that they want to kind of step away from the royal family because he's not directly in line to the throne. I think the way that they went about it maybe could have been a little bit more respectful to the Queen and not been as much like celebrity doing it on Instagram. But I think the Queen has to support them because it's kind of a show of face, really, isn't it? So.
Yeah, I think it's brilliant. I feel incredibly sorry for them. I think they've been really hounded and obviously find it difficult to cope with all the scrutiny and the ways that people want to get into their family life and so on. And I think it's great the family stands behind them. The Queen stands behind them. It's the same as any family hopefully would do. And I just pray for them that they can sort out and lead a normal life like everybody else.